So we are live. Hello, people. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today evening is a bit different kind of a topic. So me being a parenting coach, today we are slightly talking about relationships. Like relationship is the basis between the spouses, between the partners, and from there how to ensure that there is better relationship so there are less conflicts, less arguments, and ultimately the child's emotions are taken care of. The child is not affected by any conflicts between the parents. So that is what my intention today. I invited my friend Ruchi Hirani. Ruchi is a couple clarity expert. So she is from Mumbai. Welcome, Ruchi. Welcome to this wonderful evening, and people are joining. Yeah. So as I was saying, today's topic is how to resolve relationship conflicts so that it does not affect the child's emotions and behavior. So Ruchi Hirani is a couple clarity expert. She's from Mumbai and she's an author of a book which is called Smile Please. You're Married. It's a wonderful book. And she's a relationship coach. She has coached many a relation. She has saved many a relationships through her guidance, through her counseling. She has really saved the relationships. And we all know that when the child comes in, the relationship equation is a bit yeah, Ruchi will be joining us. Yeah. So when the child comes in, the relationship equation is a bit changed, and the couple have to readjust themselves so that the child fits in. And there may be certain difference because of the child, and sometimes the child doesn't even know what is happening, and there are some conflicts. We all know that. So that is what we are going to talk. So first of all, let us understand from. Let us welcome Ruchi. Ruchi, welcome. Thank you for joining live today.
Thank you so much. Hi, Veena.
Hello, Ruchi.
Am I
Welcome.
audible, visible, everything?
Yeah.
I just
So,
lost my internet connection a minute ago.
no issue. These things keep happening. We have to, work around it. Right.
Right.
Okay. So today I invited my parents, many of them, and your friends have also joined, I'm sure. Yeah, Neela Rani, good evening. Welcome to this live session. Ruchi is here with us, my guest for today. She's a couple clarity expert from Mumbai. So welcome, Ruchi. Thank you for accepting my invitation. And yeah.
No, no, no. The
Tell us
pleasure
about
is all
yourself,
mine.
Ruchi.
The pleasure is
Thank
all
you. Thank
mine,
you.
Veena. And I am really glad that you gave me this opportunity to talk to parents
Mm.
because I and you both believe we both have spoken couple of times that parent for you to become good parents, it's very
Mm.
important that you become a good couple for yourself by
Right.
yourself. So that's the base,
Right.
and I'm really glad that I could connect to your parents, and I know that you are doing a fabulous job with your parenting, and you have been an
Thank you.
amazing coach. So I would be even more happy to add value to your audience.
Definitely.
So
Mm.
let me give some background about my
Yeah, please.
story.
Please, Ruchi. Yeah,
So hi
please.
guys, those who are meeting me for the first time, I am Ruchi Hirani. I am mother to this amazing daughter, wife to a superhuman, a lot foodie, a little crazy, but a strong believer. I'm a choreographer turned homemaker turned author and now a couple clarity expert. I am a creator and curator of happily ever after lifestyle. So basically, Veena, my mission is to help millions of newlywed couples out there to design the first
Right.
5 years of a marriage in a way that they can overcome all the negative emotion by themselves. Negative
Mm.
emotions are going to be there, but they need to overcome those, transform
Mm.
their marriage into a better position, transform themselves
Mm.
into power couple, and thus design their happily ever after. Because I strongly believe
Right.
that happily ever after does exist, and I can make it possible. So
And
that's
first 5 years are crucial, right? First
yes,
5 years are very
absolutely,
crucial, so that it's a
absolutely,
long journey together. If all the misunderstandings are sorted out, some kind of a understanding comes up in the first 5 years. If there is clarity, as you call yourself couple clarity, I really
yes,
appreciate that
yes,
term because they are two different individuals coming together. And if the
yes.
clarity is there about the relationship with help from people like you, definitely it's going to be a super awesome marriage. And thank you, Ruchi, for the work you're doing.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
So just on behalf of the parents, I have some questions here. Let me start asking, and also it is
Yes.
interactive. Whoever joins can give their questions in between in the comments, so that I'll put it across to Ruchi. She'll be answering. So as I was mentioning, there are two different individuals, two different persons coming from different backgrounds. Nowadays, international weddings are happening, like intercultural and other region persons are coming together in a
Yes.
wedlock. So the total belief systems may be different, opinions may be different, their thinking may be different. So first
Yes.
few years is very rocky. If you, in your
Yes.
experience also you must have seen. So
Yes.
how to have that better understanding, though they have different opinions, different thinking and upbringing. So can you just give us in brief?
Absolutely. And this is a very amazing question, not only because marriages are going international or global,
Hmm.
but it is
Hmm.
also very important that
Hmm.
now even girls are so much educated, learned, and self sufficient that they will have an opinion. Okay, no
Correct.
matter what. So,
Correct.
firstly, what I believe is that if two individuals who are living a particular life from last 25 years are marrying
Hmm.
each other,
Hmm.
definitely they both have their own mindset, they both have their own thought process about everything and anything. If they can decide to marry you, that means they can decide for other things as well. But to
Right.
avoid conflicts and to have a better understanding, the couple should be very much aware that the
Hmm.
conflicts is or the difference of opinion is not personal. They are
Okay.
related to the situation, they are related to the topic of discussion, and then
Hmm.
it would not affect your personal life. So if example, if me and my husband, I will kind of give examples of my story only, because I don't want to talk about the couples I'm coaching, or maybe even those would
Yeah.
be working fine. So
Hmm.
if me and my husband has a discussion about what to eat for dinner, and
Hmm.
if we
Hmm.
take, we like, मुझे Chinese खाना है, उसे पंजाबी खाना है, we fight, we are not eating anything, and we end up eating South Indian. So
Hmm.
is that a topic to be carried out in your heart, or is it a topic of momentarily issue? So that is the thought process every couple should keep. So that
Hmm.
the
Hmm. Hmm.
difference is not coming from emotions. We love each other, we have married each other, we have care for each other, but the
Hmm.
situation or the topic of discussion didn't work for us, and so we are coming up with a third topic. Also,
Okay.
one thing can be done, that
Hmm.
they, if they have a certain example of like kids, we are talking about parents, so there are so
Hmm.
many decisions related to parenting,
Right.
that
Right. Hmm.
मम्मा को लगता है कि सी देख उसके बेटे ने वो स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया, एंड पापा इज लाइक वी डोंट हैव टू सी द ऑडियंस, we will have to see according to our comfort which school is better. So if such kind of difference of opinions are there, what they should
Hmm.
do, write down the pros and cons, के मम्मा ने जो स्कूल सिलेक्ट किया है उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स क्या है, पापा ने जो
Hmm.
स्कूल सिलेक्ट किया है उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स क्या है, एंड डिसाइड ऑन
Okay.
द फैक्टर दैट विच इज हैविंग बेटर पॉजिटिव अप्रोच and which is negative approach, and then the
Hmm.
discussion will turn automatically productive rather than into
Hmm.
conflicts or arguments. That is what
Hmm.
my thought process is.
So clarity begins from day one, including what discussion should be really, taken forward or to be ended then and there. It
There
is
and
not
there.
even about the people, but it is about the issue itself, and it should be resolved then and there.
Then
Wow.
and there. Absolutely.
Nice. That clarity, it really suits you. You are so clear, and by talking to you, people will get clarity. I'm sure, Ruchi.
Thank
So,
you.
what?
Thank you.
Yeah, you gave us two examples, as simple as what to cook or what to have for dinner. From that up to the school's admission, which school the child has to be admitted. So, what kind of conflicts have you seen in general, small and big? Just to give us a background, like what happens exactly.
See, I believe that any two individual, not only a relationship, but any two individual will have arguments, will have differences because of the different
Hmm.
personalities. So,
Hmm.
like even my baby is 1 year 8 months old, so we
Wow.
even
Okay.
had conflicts over कौन इसका diaper change करेगा. So I think that conflicts do not need a topic. It can
Hmm.
be healthy discussions, it can be healthy arguments, it can be productive arguments, it can be
Okay.
anywhere ranging from गीला टॉवल कौन सुखाएगा या सूखे हुए कपड़े कौन घड़ी करेगा, right from their basic things to how
Acha.
are you managing your finances, who will purchase gold, how will invest in a particular
Okay.
financial it can be
Hmm.
a variety of conflicts and argument, but
Hmm.
bottom of that thing is also supported by my first answer, that you should always remember that the
Hmm.
discussion is going not to show that who is winning the argument or who is superior than each other, because you both
Exactly.
are individuals, and nobody
Hmm.
wants to prove I am the best or I am the best in a marriage. That is not a
Hmm.
competition. So you
Hmm.
have to think that what is the best for the what the around the topic of discussion, what is the best. So I think it can be multiple conflicts that can happen, Veena.
Golden words, really. It's actually simple. If you really think about it, it's very simple. बात का बतंगड़ बना देना बोलते हैं ना, छोटी बात
Exactly.
जाके बड़ा हो जाता है. When ego comes in, maybe this
Yeah,
thing happens.
and also, Veena, ego is also one of the factor. But I
Hmm.
think women, male or females, both do not express at the right point. So there are certain
Okay.
things happening in the background because of
Hmm.
which the reactions come out. But the reactions are actually not the real actions. The actions are something
Okay.
else. She must have
Hmm.
been hurt because you have not asked her how was her day, or maybe he is hurt because you didn't ask her how did your boss treat you today in the meeting. And
Hmm.
because of that incompleteness of connection, there is an
Okay.
emotional imbalance over here. There is a disconnect of emotions over here, and because of which जब
Correct.
भी कुछ spark होता है ना, तो उसमें
हाँ.
फिर वो आग लग जाती है.
अच्छा. Okay. So the communication is very important along with clarity. Communication ki jab whenever the feeling is there, immediately express it so
Yeah.
that non-expression may make it bigger. You know, you may feel the emotion more strongly and you may react more strongly, which is not
Yeah.
required actually.
Yeah, and
Okay.
communication can be
Hmm.
verbal as well as non-verbal. So if your
Uh-huh.
husband is not giving you a proper communication and you sense something that is through his non-verbal communication, you should also
Wow.
have that the connection to understand that there is something wrong with my husband. He is not behaving normal, and it will happen
Hmm.
when you are not
Hmm.
happy inside. You will show through your gestures. You will not like certain thing. You will just throw off
Hmm.
certain things. Maybe you will
Hmm.
not eat your dinner on time, so you
Wow.
will understand that there is certain thing that is kind of troubling my husband or my wife,
Hmm.
and not
Hmm.
related to it will definitely be not
Okay.
related to you. So try and
Hmm.
talk through the non-verbal communication also. That is what is also
Okay.
important. That is what I feel.
Also understanding, not waiting for them to verbally express. So understand by their gestures, by their,
Gestures, right?
reactions. You
Yeah.
try to understand and better, respond even before
Yes.
they explode or something.
Explore.
Better
Yeah.
take care of that. Better take care
Yeah.
of that at that stage.
Right.
Wow, nice. And who should say sorry, Ruchi, generally? Like the person who does the initiates, or other person will always be feeling the this person is wrong, right? Yeah, Shraddha, welcome. Welcome, Shraddha. Uh,
So this is a very funny question. So what I feel, Veena, is
uh,
it is not necessary who says sorry first. Okay, first
okay.
I will give two answers to this. First,
Mhm.
very important thing, deep down we know that was it your mistake or was it not your mistake. If deep
Hmm.
down you have that, if your a subconscious mind says that you गलत किया रे रुचि, तूने ओवर रिएक्ट किया रे रुचि, या फिर ये नहीं करना चाहिए था रुचि, if that is pinching you, that means somewhere you are wrong. You
Hmm.
can initiate a sorry because you feel that it doesn't have
Okay.
to come from the opposite person that I think that you
Hmm.
have done a mistake. If it pinches you, you should. And the second answer to this question is that if you feel that you want your relationship to go work smoothly, happily,
Hmm.
and your
Hmm.
ego isn't in compare, your ego isn't as big as your the want of having that relationship with your spouse, then
Hmm.
आपकी mistake हो ना हो, you can
Oh,
always initiate a sorry. You can always,
awesome.
because you having peace of mind with your partner, having your
Hmm.
partner, having her happy, having him happy, कि he is relaxed, is more important to you than a sorry. And sorry should not be like,
True,
hey,
true.
I'm sorry, just sorry,
Right.
ऐसा नहीं.
Should come
It should
from
be
the mind.
felt.
हाँ.
It should be
हाँ.
felt. I mean,
That
if you
person should
don't.
mean it, right? हाँ.
Absolutely. And
हाँ.
suppose if you
हाँ.
are not able to directly say sorry, I know people, my couples also, because वो झगड़ा उतना बढ़ जाता है कि अब मैं क्यों झुकूं, वो वाला
हाँ.
फीलिंग आता है और आपको लग रहा है कि आपको झुकना नहीं है. So what you can do
हाँ.
is you have to take a path, cook a
हाँ.
favorite meal, serve
Wow.
him, surprise
My
him, and
flowers, my perfume. Okay.
you can
Valentine's
always
Day मना दो.
हाँ,
Valentine's
मतलब
Day मना दो. अगर
वैलेंटाइंस डे मना
मौका
दो,
मिले तभी.
सरप्राइज है, मे बी एक बाहर से उसे कुछ फेवरेट डिजर्ट पसंद है तो वो ऑर्डर कर दो, एंड channelize
Okay.
your energy through a medium and communicate that you feel that you want your partner to be okay, and that approach will make your partner talk to you, and once the
Okay.
communication is set, it's all back to normal.
Mm-hmm. Today morning, one parent was sharing, like this gentleman, he was sharing. I always say, I'm the one who always says sorry. Somehow their relationship is so fine, whether it is his mistake or her mistake, he never thinks. He always approaches her and says sorry. So that
Hmm.
is the secret of their better relationship.
Yes, yes,
So we have such examples. So leave the ego
absolutely.
aside or judging
Yes,
who is right, who is wrong. Just
yeah,
say sorry and make up. Right.
right.
So when should they approach, when it goes out of control, sometimes the counseling, it is required, right? Sometimes they'll not be able to sort out themselves.
Right.
So when should they approach a family member? What are the disadvantages and advantages? Or should they come to a counselor?
Hmm.
What are the pros and cons? Can you share? And in our society, there is a certain kind of stigma. Like all the neighbors will come to know
Yes,
sometimes when the husband and wife is fighting, but they never go and seek a solution.
solution, right.
Mhm.
Right,
So when
Veena.
should
So,
we go? Yeah.
yeah, so Veena, what I feel is when the if the couple, see, nobody will teach you. Everybody will focus on how your wedding should be, but nobody will teach you how your marriage should be. So when you are
Definitely.
not taught to be a wife, you are not taught to be a husband. It is
Mm,
always through what you have seen in your elders, seen
mm,
growing up. You have seen in maybe Bollywood movies,
yeah.
serials, or you have
Mm,
seen your friends who are of your
mm,
same age behaving. So it's a learned behavior, okay? It's observed
mm,
behavior. That
mm.
means that you don't know when the situation twists, and you haven't seen such situation before, so you don't know how
Right.
to react, and you mess
Right.
up. Okay, so
Mm,
here
mm,
when you include a third person, say if I include a person from my family, they
okay.
know me from childhood, they have
Mm,
pampered me, they have loved me, and they have it with very care given to me to another person. So what they
right.
will do is like, मेरी बेचारी बेटी, तुझे
हाँ.
नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, तू मत कर, तुझे कुछ बोलना है, तुझे हम लोग है. They will always pamper me and give their decisions in a biased way. One, second,
Okay.
they will
Mm,
give decisions according to the things or experience they have had in their
right.
life, their mindset, their belief system. So वो generation अलग हो जाता है. So this is
Mm,
if I approach a female side of family. If I
mm, mm.
approach a men's side family, even if they are giving a genuine suggestion, the wife will think, हाँ तेरे ससुराल तेरे घर वाले हैं ना,
हाँ, हाँ,
मेरे को
हाँ,
क्यों
हाँ, हाँ.
support करेंगे.
Okay.
She will always feel that they should not
There's no
focus on the
support.
solution only. They should always
Mm,
be focused that who is giving the solution, and my husband is going and seeking his
mm,
or her help. So
mm,
again,
mm.
the solution will not be accepted. Now you go
Okay.
to friends. The friends are of course of your same level. You go to friends or colleagues or whatever. They are of your same level. They have that much experience that you have, and they are
Mm.
not as good as you, or
Their
maybe not
problems may be different also. Each
different.
relationship
Also
is
their
different.
experiences is also different. So what
Right.
they will do is they will give you some random suggestion to just feel, आपको एक अच्छा feeling देते हैं that I am your friend and I helped you, and I'm telling
Mm,
you, chuck that man or chuck that female, you need a you deserve a better man.
mm,
But they will also create a fun and mockery of you at your back,
mm.
that you can't
That is the
guarantee that,
problem.
yeah.
Uh,
And then there is always a Chinese whisper going out in offices, talking about people. So I
mm,
think if you really want to look for a third person help, always seek a professional help.
mm.
Being the biggest reason is the person do not know you as a wife or a husband, and also doesn't know your partner. So the person will
वो
look
सारी
at the
बात.
situation
हाँ,
and give a
right.
solution to the situation, not to the
Situation.
person. And
Right.
secondly, he will not be biased and also
हाँ.
not judgmental. They will not
Mm,
judge you for whatever behaviors you have, and they will
mm,
not leak your information outside, because I am working with almost 18 couples currently, and I
mm.
haven't been sharing their stories at all. I use them for
Anywhere. Wow.
examples, because
Mm,
that
mm.
confidentiality has to be maintained, because in India still it is been not very openly discussed about. They feel that there is
Mm.
something bad to talk about relationship
Correct.
stuff.
Mm,
So
mm, mm.
confidentiality is maintained, so you don't have to worry कि हाँ मेरी दोस्त को पता है,
Right.
वो किसी को बोल देगा तो
बोल
अभी मैं
देगा,
क्या.
हाँ, वो अक्सर होता है,
होता
ऐसा
है.
होता भी है. They'll come
Right.
as well wishers later, it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
spread everywhere and problems are increased because of that.
Yes, yes,
किसी
yes.
और से इनको सुनाई पड़ता है तो why did my wife tell them? ऐसी
Yes.
बात हो जाती है
So
हमारे
that is
सोसाइटी.
the biggest
हाँ.
problem for men, that the confidentiality is not maintained.
हम्म,
That I
हम्म,
have faced a lot in my couple clienting, that men
okay.
keep on feeling that wife
हम्म,
doesn't maintain confidentiality. Not ऐसा होता भी नहीं होगा many a times, but
हम्म,
because women are lot easy to share with people. They just have to pick a phone and then have to play victim. So
Correct.
men quite a time feel that that their confidentiality has been breached. So
That
that
she's complaining against me. ऐसी बात हो जाती है. This lady just
exactly.
wants to share her problems,
हाँ,
find some solutions, but उनको ऐसा लगता है. The other party will feel she's complaining against me, right?
right.
And also accountability fact also will come when they come to a coach and when you
Yes,
ask them to do something and they
absolutely,
assure you, right? So
absolutely.
that way it's more scope for improvement, in the relationship without the person being non-judgmental, the
Yes,
coach as such.
absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. So in all this, the couple are parents too, First
Hmm.
5 years, you said foundation is so important. Again, one child comes or there are two children and their job demands increase, their stress increase and middle age may creep in. So various things happen. Family responsibilities may be increased. Because of all this, the growing up years of the children are also stressful for the parents. Somehow
Hmm.
it coincides and they have their own personal stress and maybe the relationship also changes
Hmm.
the structure of relationship, the
Right.
understanding, and maybe we are giving too much attention towards the children and we don't
Hmm.
care for
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
partner among each other. Maybe this kind of issues come up, the communication is lacking. So this starts small, like some argument,
Yes,
something,
yes,
then it
yes,
becomes
yes.
big, jhagda hota hai, argument hota hai. Whether you like it or not, the child is here, one child or two children or how many ever, they'll be there at home and something happens in front of them. Like you said, it may be as small as about the dinner or about the kids' school. So how to, how to ensure that they are not affected. So
Hmm.
some difference comes up. You cannot totally, be silent in front of kids.
Hmm.
So please guide us how to protect the child from this kind of exposure to such arguments, which are not like within a certain level, it is okay. When it crosses something, then the child will feel very confused. So
Hmm.
what can be done in this situation, Ruchi?
So, Veena, I would genuinely
Hmm.
suggest that one should not, no matter what, one should not argue in front of
Huh.
kids, no matter
Hmm.
what. But if that
Hmm.
situation or the what
Hmm.
the setup of their home is like that, that suppose they are arguing, they should
Hmm.
be assuring that the kid is
Hmm.
later on spoken to. You should not
Okay.
leave his thoughts loosen up. Loose ends
Acha.
will join random dots that हाँ marriages are like
Correct.
that. हम मम्मी
हाँ
पापा तो
हाँ हाँ
झगड़ते
हाँ.
ही है, या फिर
वही
उन लोग
प्रॉब्लम होता
अपना
है.
कंक्लूजन निकाले उससे पहले. वंस यू आर सॉर्टेड, ईदर ऑफ द
हम्म.
पेरेंट और बोथ ऑफ द पेरेंट शुड
हाँ
टॉक टू
हाँ.
द चाइल्ड separately that
हम्म.
we had an argument, I know you saw it, I know you overheard it, but don't worry, it was just temporary, it was just situational, we were not fighting, we were just having difference of opinion and we were sorting it out. But it
हम्म.
things like this happen in marriage, but it doesn't mean that I don't love your mama. I love your mama a
ओके.
lot. So
ओके.
it kinds of gives a closure in his creative most age mind, that
हम्म.
he can pick up any random conclusion to the fights that are going on. So one thing
हम्म.
that can be done.
हम्म.
Secondly, when the husband wife are back to normal,
हम्म.
when they are not fighting and they are in their best state, they
करेक्ट.
should always, आप जब झगड़ा करते हो अपने बच्चों के सामने और आप दो बार नहीं सोचते हो, तो आप प्यार जताने में क्यों दो बार सोचते हो कि हाँ वो देख लेगा.
हाँ, दिखाते
show
नहीं.
show affection. I mean, if your
परफेक्ट.
kid
या.
is watching, go and hug your husband, go and hug your wife,
हाँ.
tell each other that
ट्रू
you
ट्रू
love
ट्रू.
them. So what will happen, he will connect the dot कि हाँ उस दिन झगड़ा हुआ था because पापा ने बोला था कि ये difference of opinion का झगड़ा है, अभी देखो लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं. That means प्यार
हाँ.
में नोकझोंक होती रहती है. And he will
ओके.
also see you loving each other. That will assure that okay, marriage might be beautiful, थोड़ा difference होगा, but it will be
होता है.
beautiful. आप
ओके.
उसको आप अकेले रूम में प्यार करो और फिर उसके सामने झगड़ा करो ये बोल के कि नहीं मेरा बेटे पे असर होगा, बेटी पे असर होगा, तो झगड़ा असर
हम्म.
नहीं करेगा क्या? वो भी करेगा, राइट? So I
करेगा.
think if you firstly avoid conflicts with whatever possibilities. If you
हम्म.
can't avoid, try to
हम्म.
give it a closure at least to your child and
हम्म.
show affection to each other whenever you can. And it is not a homework कि हाँ भाई एक बार तुमने अरे हाँ I love you ऐसे करके खत्म किया. It should be felt. Then only the child will relate to it. And also
हम्म.
spend quality time with the child to overrun the negative emotion he is having at that
करेक्ट.
moment. Once you are
Correct.
sorted, once your relationship is back to normal, try to take him out on garden, have a family time where he will forget, and the positive memories will overrun the negative ones. So I
Okay.
think that is what I would
So
suggest.
once in a way, if argument happens, also just make up with lot of positive,
Yes,
show the child that there is lot of positivity around. Once in a way, this happens maybe.
this happens.
Okay,
Yes,
and later
absolutely.
reassure the child. Okay,
Yeah.
I think my next question also was answered. Thank you for that, Ruchi. How to reassure the child? That is my concern. Jo hua so hua.
हाँ
Intentionally, nobody argues. Temper thoda like they
हाँ हो
become
गया.
short tempered, and something starts as small and it becomes big sometimes
एंड यू नो
without
व्हाट
control.
वीना,
Mm.
पीपल, आपको तो ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होगा, मुझे तो सिर्फ मेरे 2-3 ही कपल्स है जो अभी पेरेंटिंग स्टेज पे है. बट यू
अच्छा,
मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस मोर व्हेन पेरेंट्स
या
कम एंड टेल यू दैट मेरा बच्चा गुस्सा बहुत करता है,
हाँ,
राइट?
हाँ, बहुत
हाँ,
बहुत है
सो
आजकल। हुँ,
बहुत है, तो वो कहाँ से आता है, वो दे डोंट सी, दे ही इज लर्निंग
हुँ,
फ्रॉम द बिहेवियर दैट माइट बी गोइंग अराउंड योर हाउस.
करेक्ट,
He
करेक्ट,
might be learning from the arguments or conflicts that are happening between you and your wife or you and your spouse, or
हुँ,
maybe the aggressive TV series or something that he is being you are watching as a person and he is also seeing it. So the
करेक्ट,
aggression is a learned behavior. He is not taught from the womb itself that how to get angry. So I
वेरी
think
ट्रू।
if he is
हुँ,
picking up that behavior as a major emotion, it is
हुँ,
somewhere connected to you as a couple. Also,
करेक्ट,
he might, in that other case, if you show
हुँ,
extreme love, care,
हुँ,
sensitivity, empathy, sympathy, he will learn all those emotions. So I
हुँ,
think
हुँ।
that is also what is happening these days.
हाँ, यू सेड इट राइटली कि जब भी ये एंगर मैनेजमेंट का आता है, मैं दोनों को थेरेपी देती हूँ, पेरेंट को भी हो, पैकेज डील होता है। एक आदमी को फैमिली में ठीक करने से तो नहीं होगा ना, जो भी घर में है सबको काम रहना है, स्ट्रेस कम करना है। दैट
Right,
इज़ माय
right.
अप्रोच आल्सो, सो यू सेड इट राइटली। So let us go to a different, somewhat serious situation that कुछ irreconcilable differences है. So
Hmm.
they have decided to separate or divorce. तब जाता है. It happens
Hmm.
like so.
Right.
What should we tell the child? The parents question like how to convey this to the child. Should we be open about it? How
Hmm.
exactly to tell the child and still reassure what can happen in this situation? Please guide us.
Great. So this is an amazing question, and I will have a little more detailed opinion. So firstly,
Yeah.
I am a couple clarity expert. So my
Hmm.
first outlook only would be that I would not support divorce,
Reconcile.
because
Ah.
because there I have been through that learning also, and I have seen also that even extreme case है तो ठीक है, but even the person who is filing divorce, even they can be reconciled to a happy married life, and they can live,
Okay.
because
That is
marriage
the
is,
first and foremost advice. Better,
yes, better.
try your maximum
Yeah,
and make it
absolutely.
work.
And
Okay.
seek a professional coach.
Okay.
I would not suggest counselors, because counselors might not give you your customized solutions. So go and
Right.
see a coach who will give
Okay.
you a progressive system. Okay. So
Hmm.
first
Hmm.
opinion would be that.
Hmm.
Second, it would be marriages do not break like this. Okay. So if you
True.
see that there are certain things which are taking you towards that thought process also, that means
Hmm.
that is something that is happening currently in your relationship. Try and figure out that what is bothering you in reality, not the
Hmm.
superficial ones, that उसने तौलिया भी नहीं गीला सुखाया, वहीं पे पड़ा है बेड पे.
Ah.
So you
Neglect
first,
that small things.
yeah. So you first figure out, and you kind of have an intervention with yourself, that what is actually bothering me about my partner, and try to
Hmm.
talk it out there and then, because the things that time are small. They are not
Hmm.
very, very piled up
Hmm.
or very, very strongly connected to your negativity. So the second
Hmm.
would be, if you just
Hmm.
even feel that, I really want to part ways from this man or this lady, you really are not working together, that is
Hmm.
the moment where you have to work on your relationship.
Wow.
And now suppose there are certain things, your physical, there is a physical abuse, or there is a verbal abuse,
Yeah.
emotional abuse, or there is a bridge of extreme respect, self
Hmm.
respect ही नहीं है, and then you are
Hmm.
deciding to kind of go for a divorce. Okay,
Hmm.
how are you supposed to talk to your child depends on the age your child is into. If he
Ah.
is 5-6 years old, where he is not, he will not understand the situation, you might
Correct.
just kind of have a tactics and kind of overrun the talk over and over again. But if he's in a teenage, you can
Hmm.
explain that, me and your papa, me and your mama weren't working well, we had differences, and it was better to part apart. We both would be happier if we part ways. And most importantly, after parting ways, I know you will not be connected emotionally, but at least
Hmm.
friendship is something that you can maintain. Friendship is something
Correct.
that you can show to your
Hmm.
kid. So even
Hmm.
when that moment when you are together for your baby, have a
Hmm.
little positive friendship within yourself, so as the person the child who is looking up to you will
Hmm.
understand that no, the divorce was not for bad reasons, but for good
Hmm.
reasons. Now I can see both are happy, both are better communicative state. So I think if you
Correct.
create that friendship around your relationship,
Okay.
when with the child
Hmm.
will have a positive understanding of divorces. Especially in India, जो नहीं होता है,
Hmm.
everybody is like divorce, divorce, divorce. वो
हाँ,
एकता कपूर
हाँ,
serial वाले
हाँ.
बन जाते हैं. So
So it's
it's
still in
very
the parents' hands. Even if they decide to
yes,
separate, it should not affect the child.
affect the
So it
child,
can
right,
be made that way. Okay,
right.
okay. And in between divorce and actual divorce, and the conflicts begin and divorce happens. In between, we have seen this custody battle where the child is the most affected one. So can they do something about it? Okay, they cannot live with each other,
Hmm.
but this child is there, so why don't they get into some kind of amicable understanding? Why take it to court and drag this child? It's
Hmm.
so difficult, right? So what would
Yeah,
you
but that
suggest?
time,
Mm,
Veera, if that is what is happening with a couple, I think that is a moment where things have got
mm,
so worse that they will
mm.
definitely come on ego. They would
Ah,
want to have for the self satisfaction. देखो मैं correct
at
थी
least
and
for that sake.
yeah, yeah, for and plus
Mm.
winning a child custody is related to winning the relationship or winning the divorce reason and
Uh-huh.
showing that see I
Oh,
was right and that is the reason I got the child's custody and you were wrong and you have been wrong all the
okay,
time.
that
So
becomes the basis, like, okay.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
the fight is
So
altogether
better
a
to, the moment the argument begins, there are people like you, like
yes,
they have to
yes,
approach the right person
yes,
and set things right. We started today's discussion, I remember, with this only. Small factors are there when you do not communicate, it blows up and then it becomes big. So better,
yes,
as you said, the first 5 years foundation, what you are doing, that will avoid a lot of conflict. So better take care in
yes,
the first 5 years and set it
yes.
right when small things start. So that is
And
the
also,
best thing to do.
Veena, even why wait for conflicts? Like first 5 years,
Correct.
generally first 1.5 year, it's all lovey-dovey. It will go in understanding each other, and you will
Mm,
have a space. कि हाँ मुझको पता नहीं था. You will
mm,
get an excuse to use that. हाँ, I'm new to this relationship. But
mm.
I think that if you are kind of seeking a professional help right from the first step into marriage, you know exactly how to take this and how to empower your relationship and empower your marriage in a direction that it will automatically be concrete for your entire life. And बाद में
Correct.
parenting हो या career हो या finance हो
Ah,
या fitness, everything would be managed because you both are on the same page and you know how to come on
correct.
the same page. That is more important, that you
Even
know how
before
to
marriage start हो जाना चाहिए कुछ understanding
look,
का मामला. If they know each other, or even if
yeah,
it's arranged marriage, थोड़ा time जो मिलता है, they go for pre-wedding shoot. So why not pre-wedding one, compatibility or something like that. They will know what
absolutely.
to expect from the other
That's a very nice.
person.
That's a very nice idea, Veena.
Start that, Ruchi, please. People need it. These youngsters need it. My son is of a
Absolutely.
marriageable age, so I'm thinking about him now. Okay. Any
Absolutely.
questions, please, Neela, Shraddha? Any questions you can type out in the chat box. We'll ask Ruchi. She's here, spending her valuable time. It's so many, lovely practical tips. What she's saying doesn't come from any book. It's coming from her experience with her clients, and she's also an author. Smile, please. You are
No,
married.
ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah,
person
Veena.
has to possibly smile, is it, or genuinely smile?
No, it's actually a sarcasm. The title was thought about for sarcasm. That smile,
Okay,
please. You are married,
it
and
doesn't match.
I. So
Okay.
basically, the marriage is always looked upon. Even when you will agree to me. Whenever we are talking with friends, I don't remember that anybody would talk positive about marriage. Even for
Hmm.
forward messages, even the jokes around the marriage.
Ah,
Yeah. Even when you're about to get married, people will come to you, and instead of congratulating you, they will put their arms on the shoulder and they'll say like, "बेटा जी ले जितना जीना है, फिर तो शादी हो जाएगी." So
okay.
entire concept of marriage have got into so much mockery and so much hate and crying and cribbing and all that, that they don't
Huh.
see it as a beautiful constitution altogether. So that is the
Okay.
reason of Smile Please You Are Married, that I really want you to be happy. And I have also put up my podcast and my YouTube series name with the same name.
Right. Only in India or in general also is it like that? What do you think, Ruchi?
So, okay, so I'll tell Indian, we have a lot of cultural values attached to marriages. But when you
Hmm.
talk about Western world, they have a freedom of divorce. There, the divorces are not overlooked like that. They will
Hmm.
feel, they'll
Hmm.
work the relationship. If the compatibility is there, it is there. If the
Hmm.
compatibility is not there, they'll try to work it out with counselors. If it is
Hmm.
still not happening, they'll go and see a marriage divorce counselor.
अच्छा.
So
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
there is
Hmm.
difference of thought process over there. यहाँ पे तो
Hmm.
डिवोर्स का रेट अभी बढ़ रहा है. पहले तो डिवोर्स
बराबर.
के नाम पे थिंग्स यूज्ड टू बी हैवोकली
Correct.
ड्रामा हो जाता था कि यार तू मर जाना लेकिन डिवोर्स मत करना. ऑल दैट स्टफ
हाँ.
यूज्ड टू हैपन इन
Some
टू
kind of a
जनरेशंस.
blackmail and something underlying the whole
Yeah,
divorce was something as a very big
yeah,
story, like. Okay.
yes.
Shraddha says we have a premarital course. I think she's also a counselor and conducted before marriage, but trust me, nothing helps. And it's conducted by priests. Okay. Oh, this in Kerala, is it? It's conducted by priests who are never married. Okay, this is they'll say you are crucified on the cross. So premarital course hota hai, but it doesn't help.
Yeah,
She
got it,
says
got it.
that is by approaching the right person, maybe
Yeah.
the
So Shraddha,
answer.
I will tell you something. I am not a Christian. I am not from Kerala. So I am a Hindu. Okay, but I have read the the vows where you kind of the priest tell you that invest Jesus and you between have Jesus between you and your husband and things would get better. I have read it somewhere throughout. So okay,
Hmm.
she's not a counselor. She
She
has
is
gone
not a
through it.
counselor.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So Shraddha,
Later.
what my thought about this is premarital courses would not help. Why? Because before even getting into the course of marriage, how would you know that which problem you are going to face and what all knowledge you should gain? They will give you all positivity that you are together for life and you have been you are taking your vows in front of Jesus. So all that would matter. But when you seek a coach, they will give you a proper system, a step by step progressive system to take your marriage from point A to point B. In fact, in that case, even Veena has a system which
Yeah.
where all the parents will go from point A to point B, and this comes from experience, it comes from techniques, it comes from tools. It is not just a gnan, a positive gnan, that is what you get before marriage. That even my mom gave me, that 5 साल शादी के तो एडजस्ट करने ही होते हैं रुचि, उसमें कुछ बड़ा नहीं होता है. That was the thing I had got when I got married. विदाई के वक्त की जो गिफ्ट होती है कि रुचि 5 साल are the first compromising years. But I did not believe in that because I thought, why compromise? Adjustments, yes, you will have to adjust to create a happy marriage, but compromises is not the right word. And I came up with a system where step by step I take my couples through a process where they don't feel that they are compromised. Because एक point के बाद you will have the impact, यार बहुत compromise किया life में, फिर भी life ने मुझको क्या दिया ये.
The
Why?
other person will feel very bad who has
Absolutely.
adjusted over the limits. So Rita is here, our good friend, Ruchi, and friend of mine
Sorry, Rita,
also. Hi,
I miss
Rita.
seeing you. Hi, I miss seeing you. I was
Thank you
talking
so
to
much for
Shraddha.
joining. Thank you.
So, Shraddha,
Thank you,
just a minute.
Shraddha. Yeah.
Shraddha, if you feel you really want to make a difference in your marriage, try to approach me once if Veena is okay. Just connect with me and I will help you with a systematic approach where you will find a difference in your marriage. And I guarantee you that.
Mm-hmm. So it brings us to the, like, after separation also you mentioned, Ruchi, they should
Hmm.
have a cordial relationship. So this
Yes.
should be, apart from what the court has advised, parents can also
Yes.
have an understanding, right? Not to affect
Yes.
the child.
Yes. Absolutely.
Hmm.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They can at
So
least
what
have a friendship, a very
friendship?
bare minimal friendship. It
Correct.
don't have to be emotionally involved when you are a friend. You generally don't get involved emotionally with a friend of yours. So
Hmm.
likewise, you can consider the person on a basis of humanity, that this I am one person, I know this, and you're married to that person for years. So at least
Okay.
the basic friendship rules can be followed. Talk to each other with respect, talk to
Hmm.
each other with a basic code of conduct. And when your child is observing that, he will notice that things were good after marriage, divorce. So he will
Hmm.
not have a negative impact about marriage, divorce concept
Huh.
altogether.
That's the positive side. At least the negativity is removed and there's a working relationship, kind of, I think, good for the child if that can be maintained. Right. Then finally, any questions? Neeta was here. Neela Rani, any questions? Okay. So, what are your secrets, Ruchi's special secret for a great relationship? Please share with my parents.
Amazing, amazing. So I have divided marriage into 10 different commandments. Zoned,
Okay.
I have literally zoned them out. And I
Okay.
feel that you don't have to be 100% in any of those commandments. But if you have a balance between all those 10 commandments and
Mhm.
you and your partner are on the same page, you will have a better, happier, smoother, stress free married life. But if
Oh.
you do not work upon it, you might feel a little grumpy, you will have a bumpy ride and things go bad. But if there are balanced, that's it. And my
Hmm.
second secret would be create beautiful friendship in your relationship. फ्रेंडशिप
Oh.
वो शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग है ना, आई थिंक वीना के, वो मेरी अगर अच्छी दोस्त नहीं बन सकती तो मैं उससे प्यार
Oh.
नहीं करता, समथिंग समथिंग.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah, yeah.
was
तो पहले दोस्त बनो, बाद में सब
हाँ.
ठीक हो जाएगा.
So
Okay.
I think that's not just a dialogue; it's the
हाँ.
truth of any relationship. So
Correct.
when you
Correct.
become friends, you
हाँ.
become compassionate towards each other. You have that companionship. You understand your partner. You believe
Hmm.
in partnership in your relation. हम friends को help करने के लिए ever ready रहते हैं, but wife को help
हाँ.
करने के लिए bore हो जाता है या फिर थक
हम
जाते हो.
जल्दी मेकअप भी हो जाते हैं अगर कुछ डिफरेंसेस भी आया तो
Right?
they don't hesitate to say so. That's what we do with friends. It doesn't
Yes,
mean friends माने no quarrel, no झगड़ा, everything is
absolutely
okay.
not.
It's not like
Absolutely
that.
not.
We fight and we again make up and we
Makeup
compromise.
and there you don't keep ego very high because friends you feel है दोस्तों में तो ऐसा चलता ही है तो फिर relationship में भी चला लो. So I think
Okay.
creating a beautiful friendship in your marriage would be the secret that I would really want everybody to know. That is
Hmm.
what is happening with me. A friendship में you get a chance of doing all the silly things. So maybe me and Jeet were fighting the other day, and if I just do so he would be like, we would be laughing all together, he would not laugh
Okay.
at this moment. He would be surprised. He would wait, and then we would just burst out laughing our lungs out, and then we would forget that what we were fighting about, and then we would
हाँ.
restart our conversation and conflicts, and then we would have a
Wow.
discussion which is more productive rather than converting into arguments. So friendship gives you the authority to do all these silly things. You can add
Hmm.
humor in your relationship. You can add fun in your
हाँ.
relationship. फिर
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
एक वो डेकोरम नहीं आता है कि भाई मैं पति हूँ और मैं
Then
पत्नी
that
हूँ एंड देन
smile please will become, correct. Instead of being a sarcastic remark, the smile please you are married will become a
वो
reality if they are friends.
absolutely,
Great.
absolutely.
And that 10 commandments also what you mentioned that one may not follow it 100%, but at least if you remember,
Yes,
the 10 basics, then
yes,
your marriage will still be great. Like whenever
absolutely,
something happens, something goes out of track, you just remember those commandments. So get
absolutely.
in touch with Ruchi, whoever wants this 10 commandments, she'll share with you, buy her book, Smile Please You're Married. So you'll get lot of golden advice and tips which has worked for couples who have met her, and she has been a saver of relationships. So awesome to meet her here. So let us
Thank you.
end. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you so much.
Thank you
You have
so much,
shared.
Veena, for having me here. Thank you so much. It was really
Thank
nice
you
talking to
all.
you.
Thank you all for coming live. Thank you, Neela and Shraddha. Thank you for sharing. Thanks, Rita.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, Ruchi. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.